What is a transformer? These days we all know about ChatGPT. We have worked with it or heard about it. But there is a fundamental question. What is the behind of this AI model? The answer is rooted in December 2017, the year in which we can find a revolution. Transformers are introduced in an article named, "The Attention is All You Need." Transformers rely on the attention mechanism to capture relationships between all elements in a sequence, regardless of their distance from each other. The mechanism of transformers is complicated, and in this video, we review it in general to learn how transformers work. Key components of transformer models. 1. Encoder-decoder structure. Encoder processes the input data and creates a representation of it. Decoder uses the encoder's representation to generate the output, such as translating a sentence or generating text. 2. Self-attention mechanism. At the heart of transformers is the attention mechanism, particularly self-attention. Self-attention enables the model to weigh the importance of each word, or token, in the input relative to others, helping it understand context. For example, in "The cat sat on the mat," self-attention can help the model associate cat with sat and mat, rather than treating all words equally. Also, in some examples, thanks to self-attention, the model can determine which word a pronoun refers to. For instance, in the sentence, "The animal crossed the street because it was hungry," self-attention helps the model identify that it refers to animal rather than street. 3. Positional encoding. Since transformers do not inherently process sequences in order, positional encoding is added to the input to provide information about the order of tokens. 4. Multi-head attention. Instead of a single self-attention mechanism, transformers use multiple attention mechanisms in parallel, multi-head attention. Each head learns different relationships between tokens, such as grammar, semantics, or word dependencies. 5. Feed-forward layers, MLP. After the attention layers are applied, the transformer applies fully connected neural networks to transform the data further. 6. Layer normalization. Each layer includes normalization to stabilize and speed up training. 7. Residual connections. Skip connections are added around each layer to prevent gradient vanishing issues and ensure better information flow. How transformers work. 1. Input processing. Input data, example, a sentence, is tokenized. Split into smaller parts, like words or subwords. Tokens are converted into embeddings. Numeric vectors representing meaning. Positional encodings are added to embeddings to incorporate sequence order. 2. Encoding. Each encoder layer applies self-attention and feed-forward layers to transform the data into a meaningful representation. 3. Attention calculation. For each word in the sequence, the model calculates. Query. Q. What this token is asking about. Key. K. What other tokens represent. Value. V. Information carried by other tokens. Attention scores are computed using a scaled dot product. Here, dk is the dimension of the key vectors. 4. Decoding. The decoder uses the encoder's output, applies its attention mechanisms, and generates output step by step. 5. Output generation. The final layer outputs probabilities for the next token in a sequence, which can be used for tasks like translation or text generation. Why transformers are powerful. 1. Parallelism. Unlike traditional recurrent models like RNNs and LSTMs, transformers process sequences in parallel, enabling faster training and inference. 2. Context awareness. Self-attention captures long-range dependencies, allowing the model to understand relationships between words, regardless of distance. 3. Scalability. Transformers scale well with larger datasets and model sizes, enabling architectures like GPT-3 and BERT to achieve state-of-the-art performance. 4. Versatility. Transformers are used in a wide range of tasks. NLP. Example. Translation, summarization. Vision. Example. Image recognition with vision transformers, and even scientific applications like protein folding. Applications of transformers. 1. Language models, GPT, Generative Pre-training Transformer, BERT. Bidirectional encoder representations from transformers, T5, Generative Pre-training Transformer. 2. Machine translation, Google Translate uses transformer models. 3. Text summarization, summarizing long articles or documents. 4. Image processing, vision transformers, VIT. 5. Speech recognition, transcription of audio data. By leveraging the power of attention and parallel processing, transformers have set a new benchmark in AI across diverse fields.